the VORTEX revolution. In the world of drain care, everything just changed. Meet VORTEX, Momar's all-in-one automatic drain care system that's redefining the way you protect your drains. It's easy to use, just connect and go. No mixing, no pouring, no mess. Unit installation is easy too, it's free along with routine maintenance. All-in-one, off-the-floor protection. No more tripping hazards or dangerous spills. At the heart of VORTEX is DrainOx, Momar's scientifically proven drain treatment that keeps your lines flowing, clean, and odor-free.
This has been installed. We haven't had any issues with clogged drains. And of course, the unit dispenses like every 12 hours.
From surgery centers to kitchens, VORTEX adapts to any environment with versatile dosing programs tailored to your needs. It is adaptable for any drain: surgical, lab, dialysis, dietary, HVAC, grease traps, and lift stations. You have a drain, we have the solution. Secure, durable, waterproof. With a 2-year battery and tamper-resistant design, it's built for the real world. And thanks to our Quick Connect system, swapping out chemical cartridges is safe, fast, and totally mess-free. No clogs, no smells, no insects. Just consistent, automatic protection. Every day. We stand by this so much. We have a 100% no-clog guarantee. VORTEX, the safer, smarter, all-in-one solution for total drain care. Effective, reliable, guaranteed.